My name is Tyler Gleeden. This is our AMR demo showing all of the different products and solutions that we have for mobile platforms. So on this side of the demo, we're showcasing our safety laser scanners, which is 2D LiDAR. Here we have an outdoor Scan 3, which is the world's first and currently only outdoor rated safety laser scanner, our Microscan 3 platform. But the real star of the show right now here is our Safe Visionary 2, which is a brand new product that's being released very soon. This is our first safety rated 3D camera from SICK. You can see what's being shown on the screen here. We get 3D point cloud data. This is performance level C safety rated, so one of a kind. And again, there's a lot of excitement over this because this fills in a lot of gaps left by 2D safety LiDAR. This is something very unique on the market. Again, that can be used for very complex and unique applications. We also have down here Flexi Mobile. This is a new safety controller that is designed specifically for mobile platforms. So in a hardware platform that is designed for mobile platforms can be mounted directly onto it so that the safety controller doesn't have to be put into a custom box, which can be very costly and cumbersome for customers. It also has mobile specific function blocks like kinematic drive functions. So in the end, all of these solutions are designed specifically for these mobile platforms and makes it easier for customers to integrate safety and other automation tasks into their platform. We're here showing our AMR demo that has all the different products and technologies and solutions that are designed by SICK specifically for mobile platforms. For example, down here we have our NanoScan safety laser scanner, which is the most compact performance level D safety laser scanner on the market. We have various technologies like the ScanGrid 2, which is using a LiDAR array, solid state LiDAR array, RFID for identification, wire draw encoders, in particular for looking at or detecting the height of a fork on an automated fork truck. We have camera technology to identify pallets and see where the forks should pick up a pallet. As well as on the top here, we have our new multi-scan laser scanner product. This is actually a multi-layer 2D LiDAR, 360-degree scan angle, the very first 360-degree laser scanner from SICK, and up to 16 layers for LiDAR. So you get a 3D perception out of this 2D LiDAR product. We also have RFID for identification and many other technologies. So as you can see, all of these technologies are designed and developed specifically for mobile platform type applications to make it easier for our customers to implement these solutions into their machines.